Welcome to our comparison video of two popular portable dishwashers, the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher. Both of these models are designed for small kitchens and offer unique features that cater to different needs. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, compare their functionalities, and help you decide which one is the better fit for your home. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA can accommodate up to 2 place settings, making it suitable for individuals or small families. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher offers a larger capacity of 5 place settings, which is ideal for bigger households or those who frequently entertain guests. This significant difference in capacity can greatly influence your choice depending on your dishwashing needs. The Farberware FDW05ASBWHA features 5 wash cycles, including options for baby care and glass. However, the AIRMSEN model takes the lead with 9 different wash cycles, providing more versatility for various cleaning needs. This includes specialized cycles for delicate items and express washing, making the AIRMSEN a more flexible option for users who require different washing settings. While both dishwashers are portable and do not require hookups, the AIRMSEN model stands out with its advanced features, including a 2-level rack for increased capacity, 3 spray arms for better cleaning coverage, and a 12-hour delay start option. The Farberware, on the other hand, offers basic features that may suffice for simpler needs, but lacks the additional functionalities that the AIRMSEN provides. If you value enhanced performance and convenience, the AIRMSEN may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher offer great solutions for portable dishwashing. The choice between them ultimately depends on your specific needs regarding capacity, wash cycles, and features. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.